Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here the home screens and product detail screen need to develop with the bottom navigations bar, bottom tab bars, not navigation bar. Let's start with to these codings and put some information inside these screens. First of all, we need to create here the main navigations. First of all, we need to go inside the view and we need to create here the new folders and write down here the main tab. The view. I have to create here the first of all the new files main tab view. But then after we need to create here the new another files home screen. Home. Now need to create here the stateful widgets. Need to write down here home view and need to import here the color extensions, not color extension to material dependency into imports, and then after need to use here the color extensions. Now need to first of all the copy this login view and to put here. And now need to set inside here the and to rename this first of all the search editing controls and with to remove this background no needs and to remove this tag and to import here the color extensions and we to remove unused buttons no needs so need to all need to do these things that here row and to write down sets. I have to set here the locations icons so need to set here first of all need to path and here and then after we to give here the width and heights to set here 20 height set here. Now need to set here the width space, give here the 8 const value. Now need to create here the center element to set here. This set here 1 0.5. Now need to save this and need to remove this no need here. And now need to save this home basic structures are the home tab view to done here set here light color. Now need to go inside here the main tab view and to create here the stateful widgets. Write down here the main tab and need to first of all the import here the material dependency here. Then after need to create here the scaffold and you need to write down here the bottom navigation bars. Need to set here and to write down here the bottom app bar. Files. First of all, get here the tab view controllers, set optional. Write down here the state, pass here controller and tab controller. Give here the length. Check first of all here the length with the pi tabs into that here and to this into columns and to write down here soon. Now need to set here the features and select tab is equal to set as a 0. And now need to create first of all here the body. Write down here the tab view. Write down to give it the controllers. Now need to write down here the home view, left and automatic containers, master value. Now need to copy blank times. Now need to create here the tab bar. And to set here the tabs. Now we need to set here the text. Need to write down here. Couple need to set here shop. And after need to set here image set. Set here the shop icons. Tab copy related path and to now need to give here the width and height. Need to set here by and we need to give here first of all the controllers here, the tab. Need to write down dispatch. Dispose controllers dispose here. Now need to set here the listener here. Listeners. Tab. set state. Now need to set here listener here, and now need to see here. Now need to set here the indicator colors. We need to not give here. That's why I need colors dot transparent, and that's that here. Now need to check here. Now need to set here the label colors. Set here. All need to import here color extensions and to set the primary. And after we to label styles, we need to set text styles and to set here color primary. And after we need to set here the font size. Well, semi-bolds we need to set here. Now need to give here the select colors. We need to set here. Triple need to set the color for the text. Now need to copy these styles and to paste here and select label styles. Need to here. And to set as a colors, need to primary text. Now need to check here the others. Now need to create here the first of all configure this UI inside this login buttons to set this view. Go inside the login view and to write down here the navigations to and tab view. So this is now configure done and to click on the logins and we'll check here. Get here some errors. So need to check. So need to okay, we need to give here only one tabs. That's why get these errors. Need to first of all to fix this UI. Need to go inside here the main tab view and need to copy these tabs and get here. Now need to one by one need to set here the tabs first. Second one is the explore tabs. After we need set here the cart tab. After favorite. And after need last one is now need to change here one by one images to set explore icons, set copy related path, and then after to cards icons, copy related paths, and after favorite tabs and copy this relative path to paste here. After we to find out the users tabs, found tabs, copy relative path, and now need to get this here, display goods, and now need to first of all the create here the container, here the decorations, write down here the box decorations, lights, and after we need to give here the border radius. To give here the border radius only top, left, radius corners, circle, so need to set here the set 15, so need to then after we to the top rights circular copies paste here. Now need to set here the const value. Now need to create here the box shadow const. Write down here the box shadow. Then we to set here the colors. So need to color black 6, and to get the radius I need to set here, and to set here offset. Write down here the offset as a -2. Now need to get here. Also need to get the backgrounds colors. Transparent. And we have options 0. Now this UI here display goods. Right. Copy this. Now display good this UI here, and bottom tab bar are the dones, and to change this tab automatically change this UI, scroll to change this. Now need to change these colors. Icons colors are the not changed. We need to first of all the set here the colors for the active colors. We need to down here, write down here the select tab to 0. Otherwise we need to give here the tick text. Now need to copy this and to paste one tab inside need to, and to set here 1 for the first tab, second tabs. Then after need to set here, write down here set here right. and last one tab is to set here. Now need to change this tab and need to check here. Working goods here. Bottom colors are the chance are the duns. Now need to fix first of all the actual tab. Need to increase this. Now need to go inside the home tab view and need to configure first of all the home tab UI, and then after need to create here the product detail screens. Need to develop here. I have already set the array list to already created another list. Need to put here first of all, and to pick the, we'll go to home view and to that here. This is the for here array list here. Now save this here, and now need to start here the codings. And to but no needs here. Now need to set here for the icon, and then after need to this sites no needs here, and need to set here locations and to set here the font. Write down here the semi bolds. 18 fonts need to set here, and write down here Dhaka. Right space you need to give here, and to set here the const value. Now need to this here, increase the height to set here D. And to set here the colors, go inside here the color extensions, the colors for the gray, dark, to copy, dark, copy here and save this here, and go inside and we to set here the dark colors. Set here the now need to create here the search. We need to develop here. First of all need to copy this here and to here. Need to first of all the create here the containers. The heads need to now containers. See here. Set here heading. Now need to give here the box decorations for the search UI. Need to create here the decoration. Write down here the box decoration property. Need to use instructors, and need to inside need to set here the colors. First of all to need to check here the colors property. Now need to set here the corner radius for the this. Write down here the border radius. Write down here the border radius circular to set here the 50. Set here. And now need to set here the height. So need to get the and now need to set here the also need to set here child's. Write down here the text field. Need to copy as the same as the lines inside the common extensions and to use. Now need to go inside here the home view and to put here. Now need to set here the TXT search and after need to type notes this security and surface report set here X icons. Sets. Get the search icons. Copy these search icons, relative path and to here. And now need to set here the width and heights. 20 and height. Now need to give here the placeholders. We need to set here the search. And now need to check here. Not good, so we need to get the some padding here. Right down here. And to get the now need to here paddings that insets with the verticals setting. Now need to set here 15s and display goods here and to set here the under the text colors and to check here 14 semi bolts we need to set here as a font weights 600 need to set here. And to give the more paddings we need to set here the 36. Now need to increase these paddings. Now display goods this UI and to set here the all the create here the this image here. First of all need to copy this containers. Now need to get the heights for the chats, no needs here. Now need to click here sets. Set here. Speed. Now need to set here ports. Path. Now need to get the speed. Clock speeds need to set as a curve. Now this creates and to give here the some height space we need to. Then after we need to convert this UI into sliders. Now not create inside the sliders. After we need to sliders. Now need to create here the this header titles. We need to develop first of all. Create here the common widgets, the sections, files, charts. Now to write down here the stateful widgets. Let's not stateful. Down here the sections. And to create here the first of all the imports, this material dependency. Then after we to define here the finals string titles. After we to set here show after we to word callback on. Now need to pass here the right dot titles dot show. By default is true past here. After we to pass here the required dot on press event. So now need to one more property padding. Sets is now need to the childs write down here the row to past here to put the title copy here here actions view. Now need to button text button need to develop here. Get the one press event past here. Now this text and to give it the n-axis alignments set as a space between. Now need to set these colors first of all to set here the primary text colors we need to set here, and we need to check the font size 14 semi bolds we need to set here 54 not 14. And now need to see all buttons we need to set here see all and to check the font size write down at 16 words and to primary colors need to set here. Here now, and to set as a titles here. Now this save UI, and to put this header sections need to set the home view and here. Now need to import these sections first of all here. Section should set here the titles, need to write down here the exclusive. Then after here the on press event, we need to heading. These inserts, that's image need to here and horizontally UI check here and display boots here UI. Now need to create here the horizontal list for the this exclusive UIs need to put. First of all need to create here size boast and to give it heights, to write down here the fixed heights, to give here check here size heights to here. Now need to get the width, give here width, write down here the list view and pass here text. Now need to set here. Now need to set here the item counts, need to pass here. To give here the exclusive length, need to set here. Now need to get here product object equal to exclusive offers x of the value. Map optionals and to pass here set here. Now need to return here the first of all need to scroll directions, need to set here the axis, horizontal need to set here, and now create here the paddings, need to set here padding, set here 10 value. I want to set here the container semicolon, give here the comma, now need to create here the common cells, need to develop for the here list out the products informations, need to create new files and to product cell. To first of all create here the state list, let's write down here the product cell, and first of all we need to import here the material dependency here. Now need to create here containers, set here the margins, to write down here insert, cement. Now need to create box decorations, down here the box decorations, and to get the colors into lights. Then after we need to set here the border. The colors right down for check it. Secondary text. Suppose me to done. And now need to give the width set here. Now need to define here final map set here. Provide callbacks. Event and last here. Quad dot the object quad dot on press. Now need to create to well write down on tab event now need to give 15. Now save this UI and to configure inside our home view right down here. The object need to pass here object, and then after need to set here this event. And now need to set here width size inside into this width. Change shoulder. And to check here the width. Now this box are the created set here the city. Now need to go inside and to draw these cells. First of all, need to set here inside. We need to create here the side. First of all, margins, heading, all, and we need to set here the 15. Now need to columns, create here the first of all need to set here the image, give here the object, set as icons, need to see here, and now need to set here the width and sides. So set here the right 75. Now need to box width that has contents. Now need to display here the bananas and set fix this UI. These are the set here the wrongs set and to sets disable that UI. First of all, need to set here the main pro to main side as a directly because login flow are the turns. That's one to set here and to save this here and to reload this UI. Now let display here the apples icons. Now need to go inside the product cells and this heights first of all to now need to get the text. Write down copy first of all this row text, go inside home, text. Now need to go inside the products here. Axis alignment center. Now need to set here the cross axis alignment that here start with set here. Now need to see here and now need to set here the colors. Need to put the checked property. Then after we need to set here the primary text colors. We need to set here, copy this here, paste here, and to check it font size. (16) bolts we need to set here, write down here the 700. Now need to check here bottom text, mediums 14, that here the secondary text colors need to, and now need to what's need to set here T to and now need to give space that here that is. Now need to create here price. Suppose here the main axis alignment. space between. Now need to create here the children's. First of all, give it the titles. Copy this here. Now to set here the price and to check here the font size. 18. Semi bolds need to set here. Primary text colors. Now need to create here the buttons. Yep. And here. Fall back. Right down. Part. And to past here. Dot cards. Now need to pass this. Now need to create childs. And we need to decorations. Now need to padding, margin. Now need to set here the width, set here the 40, and height, set here the 15, and set here color primary, and to set here no needs here, and to set corner radius. And first of all, need to configure inside on tab events. Need to right here. Now need to save product sales. First of all, need to give spacers. Now need to the chats. Give here the width at 20, height at here. Now need to add icon, need to clear edit path and to elements set as a center. And now this UI are the now here the original list are the created display goods here. And now need to create here the best selling view. Need to first of all go inside the homes and we need to copy these sections. Write down here the selling. Now need to change this UI to best sell. Selling it here and to get here the best sales UI. Created see. Now need to go set the product and small UI. Now need to create here the glossary sections. We need to first of all to copy this UI. Now need to write down here the glossary. And we need to create first of all the duplicate this UI. It's relative to create new files. Category cell. Paste here and to rename this here. Save this and to cards no need here. And to here. This here. Expanded. Standard. Now need to 7. With at hundreds to down here. Primary. Now need to set here. City orders now needs here and to save it. And get the main axis alignment set as the center. Now save this UI, configure this UI, home view. Now need to change here the glossary. Put first of all this category cells here. Got it. And now need to set here height. So set here 100. Now need to set this check here. And now need to get here the another. First of all need to give here the space. That as a comma and to copy again. Now need to copy this UI to and to write down here stair here. Now need to check here. Get here the now this home screen UI are the done, and now need to create here the product details screen need to develop here. Now need to create here the new files side we need to add down here dot. Now need to get here the stateful widgets work tell what first of all this color extension see. Now need to copy this UI first of all. Side here the details. To import here the color extensions to text fields also need to and now need to set here first the titles. It is here. Write down here the options. Now need to give here the shared icons to past here path. Now need to set here the icons apples. Here now needs and now need to this one. Give it the button name it basket. Now save want to configure button inside here, exclusive navigator, or right down here the material page routes. Product, so this years and to copy. And now need to save this. Click here the button. First of all, need to give here the background colors white. So need to set inside here the product details page. Now need to all box and snack to scripts and to set here right down here media. Now create child center. Now need to give the height and width. Save it here. Inside the stack. Remove here. Now need to declare here the box decorations. First of all, need to set here. And now need to give it the right options here. Save. Now display goods here and Now need to yes. Now need to create here the widgets here. Write down here the heading. Pages inserts. Symmetric. Verticals we need to set here the and horizontal we need to give here the 20. Now need to put this buttons here. Sketch buttons are the created. Now need to create here the row. Here the icons. First of all, icons here. Write down here. Now need to create here the expand. Give the text. Now to Control to write down here the expand. Now need to check here the title sites 20 ports. And give the colors. Primary text colors need to set here. And to remove sites nodes here to this favorite icons. And after me to create here the text. Write down here the in semi-bold. Secondary text that here colors to write down titles 1 kg rice. And now need to give here the cross-axis alignment. That is start. Size need to give heights set here. Now need to create here the another row. Text here. Get the price. the spacer. Guide space between titles. Now need to get the seconds. Content. Set here heading. Image is insert. Symmetrically pins and horizontal event. Now need to set this text here and here. Set here the quantity that has a 1. Need to set here. Now need to create. Need to copy as a same product sales. Need to order here. Now need to create here the buttons plus or minus button with well. Yeah, even. Here the child's age assets. Now need to keep image triple set as a subtract image. Copy this relative path and here. Now need to here. Now need to give it and to okay. Now this head of plus minus buttons are the created seeds. Now need to create give the colors 6. Right to set here. Now need to set here the product titles. We need to set here to all need to titles. And to clear the expand. Detail opens into and this here. And to set here the font size first person to 16 semi bolts. We need to set this text here. Now need to set here the description text. Copy this here text property. Secondary font size 13 medium. Reds. Text. Now need to create here the dividers. Now need to write down here the three chunks. With the next icon. Equal primary text. Now need to copy. Write down here the review. Now need to copy the containers. First of all, the price container. and to nutritions. Set here. Maybe at the multiply. Which is inserts metric here the vertical 4 and horizontal that here the 8 that here the colors 20 color placeholder text to say maintained sites on see. Now display goods here. Now need to create here the rating app parts. Need to develop first of all to write down here the secondary text colors to set here. First of all need to import here the rating app bars library. Need to already find out here the this library here and to install previous some video in the add this all times need to add this library. This is the good library for the flutters for the rating. Now need to go inside the subspace and need to import here the library. Save this here. Now go inside the product details and need to copy these codes with the redeems things will set here. And to import first of all this library here. Now need to set here the rating 5 like by this color. Cheers. Now need to set items. Need to set here the item size 18 space set here the Cheers. Now, now display goods this extent. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get the every new video notifications. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.